So this apple is not the enemy, okay? I get asked this a lot. As a matter of fact, I had breakfast this morning. People talking about the fruit I had for breakfast. Oh, how about the sugar spikes, blah, blah, blah. And it's a good question. And it all comes down to the idea of the glycemic index, or how quickly food, or in this case, how quickly fruit spikes your blood sugar. And I get asked this question, pretty often. So it's time for a video. So there are some fruits like watermelon that has a higher glycemic index, about 70, 72 on the scale. And that means the sugar gets into your bloodstream rapidly. On the other hand, you have fruits like cherries, which is 20 on the glycemic index. And you have grapefruit, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and apples, which have a much lower glycemic index, meaning they release their sugar slowly and give you a much gentler impact on your blood glucose levels. And so your insulin does not spike, right? So, and there's lots of fiber in apples, right? It's mostly in the skin. So please don't peel the skin off like I see some people do, and they give it to their children. And here's a deeper truth. Fruit has never been the problem. It's the lack of fiber that's stripped from the fruit. That's the problem. Because if you think about it, even sugarcane has its own fiber. But once you strip away that fiber, right, the husk, now that sugarcane becomes pure sugar, which is the evil. Hits the body real hard and fast. So here's what I recommend. Eat whole fruits. Don't drink fruit juice because the fiber has been stripped out already, right? Eat whole fruits, and the fruits will hydrate your cells and feed your gut bacteria. And if you're concerned about the sugar spike, no problem. Pair your fruit with some walnuts, some chia seeds, soak them first, or some ground flax seeds. And the fiber and healthy fats will blunt that sugar spike and make the fruit more metabolically stable. So, don't fear the fruit, especially water-rich fruits like berries, oranges, or melons. These actually hydrate your tissue and flush out the waste in your lymphatic system and nourish your prostate gland and your heart. Remember, we talk about this, structured water in fruits is far superior than the spring water that you're buying from the supermarket, right? So when you eat fruit in the right context, as nature is designed, it becomes medicine. It supports your vitality and doesn't drain it. It's all about eating in harmony with nature and not fighting against it. So don't listen to all the naysayers on this platform and YouTube. Oh, don't eat fruits. It'll spike your blood sugar. I got you covered. So follow me for more men's health tips, and let's get healthy. Naturally. Check out that water. Oh my gosh. Isn't it beautiful?